Today, 22 July 2020, Mia Lagos, news anchor from Lawafara Media, here brings you the world latest updated news from all around the world. The speaker not to take any action against Sachin Pilot, rebel MLA still, July 24, Rajasthan HC. New Delhi. The Rajasthan High Court on Tuesday said Rajasthan Assembly speakers not to act on disqualification notices issued by him to Sachin Pilot and 18 other Congress MLAs till July 24. Rajasthan Assembly Speaker C.P. Joshi had issued the notices to 90s MLA upon Congress request amidst a political turmoil triggered by a face-off between Pilot and Rajasthan Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. The petition was taken by a bench of Chief Justice Indrajit Mahante and Justice Prakash Gupta on Friday, and arguments were heard on Monday till evening, but no conclusion was reached. The hearing began Tuesday morning, and the court directed all the parties to submit their written submissions by 2 p.m. Senior advocate Mukul Rohatgi, appearing for Pilot and the other Congress legislators, concluded arguments for the petitioners. The dissidents MLAs has moved the court on Friday amid the infighting in the state unit of the Congress as Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot and his new sacked deputy Pilot just killed for power. The bench had on Monday allowed the application of Intervenor Public Against Corruption PSC and NGO during the hearing. Flood. These pictures show the devastation in Assam. The flood situation in Assam remained grim as the dead toll crossed 85 and big chunks of crops were damaged in many districts. Officials of the Assam State Disaster Management Authority ASDMA said that of the 23.40 lakh persons still affected, around 15.77 lakh in Golpara, 459,010 Barpeta, 337,112 Morigaon, 334,828 Dhubri, 253,612 and South Sakamara, 191,913 district. COVID-19 government warns against the use of N95 mask with wheeled respirator. New Delhi. The centre has written to all states and union territories warnings against the use of N95 masks with waved respirator by people, saying these don't prevent virus from spreading out and are detrimental to the measure adopted to its containment. The Director General of Health Services in the Ministry of Health, in a letter of Principal Secretaries of Health and Medical Education of states, said it has been observed that there is inappropriate use of N95 masks, particularly those with the wheeled respirator, by the public other than designated health workers. The DGHS referred to the advisory on the use of homemade protective cover for the face and mouth available on the website of the Ministry of Health. It is to bring to your knowledge that the use of waved respirator and N95 mask is detrimental to the measure adopted for preventing the spread of coronavirus, as it does not prevent the virus from escaping out of the mask. In the view of the above, I request you to instruct all concerned to follow the use of face mouth cover and prevent inappropriate use of N95 mask, DGHS Rajiv Garg said in the letter. So here it ends with the news. Thank you.